Hey all, Will Healy here. I just read a great article from Clark Schaefer Hackett that they published on Friday. It's called the CHIPS Act, Poised to Boost U.S. Businesses. And regardless of where you sit on the political spectrum, I think you definitely should take a look at this. So CHIPS stands for Creating Helpful Incentives to Produce Semiconductors for America Act. And if you know a little bit of history of semiconductors, the US developed and pioneered chip technology, but today only 12% of semiconductor production happens in the United States. Foreign producers have about a 25% to 40% cost advantage over US producers, and most of that advantage is coming from foreign government subsidies. So the CHIPS Act plans to counteract this with grants and tax credits that are incentivizing reshoring of the semiconductor production in the United States. So this expansion of domestic semiconductor production should really benefit a wide range of industries, whether you're in the semiconductor market or not. And this really could reduce the risk of future supply chain issues that we're dealing with right now for many of the goods and devices that we rely on, semiconductor chips, from cars to toys to cell phones to computers to the light switches in my house. So really so many things. So at a high level view, this $52 billion package provides generous tax incentives to increase domestic production of semiconductors. And it's basically in 23 to 27, those years. So anyone who makes semiconductor investments, 23 to 27, that's basically the window. Though also is intended to address national security concerns related to the heavy reliance on foreign production of semiconductors. The credit is called the Advanced Manufacturing Investment Credit. And basically it's for new semiconductor manufacturing property, things that qualify for depreciation or amortization, new construction, new buildings, new additions, investments that are integral to the operation of a facility. So what is interesting is this credit can be claimed by some foreign domestic investments, taxpayer foreign domestic investments, who are not foreign entities of concern, and I'm guessing you could probably figure out who those are. The CHIPS Act also provides not just for building semiconductor production, but also expanding existing semiconductor fabrication that already exists in the United States, workforce development and training, really exciting, research and development into new technologies, and then specifically driving wireless supply chain innovations. So I'll link to the full article in the comments, but until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?